This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll quickly show how you can use the screen lock on this device. So to start, take your action pod and then swipe downwards from the top edge of the display. Here you'll find the lock icon, which if you'll tap on, you're going to lock your screen or lock its touch screen part, should I say, so you will not be able to click anywhere or tap any function here, in case you do not want to accidentally press it, of course. And well, if you would like to unlock your screen, swipe from the down part of the screen upwards, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.